You want more of the crust for sure. Stay with me as I attempt a no-bake vegan blueberry cheesecake. Hello everyone, welcome to C Fitness, your spot for faith, food and fitness. So we'll start by making our crust first. So you want to add some oats and some shredded coconuts to a food processor and you want to pulse that. Then you want to add some dates. Here I use 2 different types of dates. You can use whichever you like. Some coconut oil and some maple syrup. This is the consistency you're looking for. Moist, sticky, and a little crumbly. Perfect. Now we're gonna place all of that in our baking tin lined with parchment paper. Ensure you lay this out very evenly because you don't want our mixture to seep through. So cover all the corners and the sides. Then you set this aside and place in the freezer for about an hour. Now to start our first layer, you're gonna add some soaked cashews. Ensure they're soaked for at least 6 hours. Add some cold coconut milk, some maple syrup, lemon juice freshly squeezed, and some coconut oil. And this is the consistency we're going for. Our crust is now firm and frozen. Set aside half of your mixture for the first layer. Then we're gonna place this in the freezer. I did 30 minutes and it was a mistake. So go for like 2 hours, guys. And this is when I knew I messed up. I was so heartbroken. I didn't know what to do. So I just kept pouring it. I mean, it still can eat. If you look closely, you can see the 2 layers mixing. For our glaze, we add some blueberries, add some maple syrup, and some lemon juice, and then we crush the blueberries. Crush that all together to extract the juice. Add to some heat and stir, stir, stir. Then you're gonna sift the blueberry juice from the mixture. Place the juice in a pan and then you're going to make a mixture of cornstarch and water and you're gonna add this to your juice. Ensure it's on low heat and just keep stirring until the mixture thickens. There you have it. Now let's see how this all comes together.
And when I come back, I'm gonna be a baddie.
I don't like to speak of things before they're finished, but it's so far a masterpiece, if I do say so myself.